Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out this universal remote I got here. Let me open it up here and I'll show you what it is. So check it out. So this is what it looks like here. It's got all the buttons you could ever ask for, even the little A, B, C, D color buttons. You've got your source there, and you got the place for the batteries in the back. It looks like it's, how do I open this? If I'm not inept, there we go. It takes two AAA batteries in there. So it is a nice replacement remote here. Actually, it's not, I don't think this is universal. I think this is the Samsung remote. That's what this one is. I have the Samsung TV. So that's what this is going to do. It's going to replace that. And let me just check and make sure that I'm talking about the right thing here. Yes, the Samsung Smart TV. So that's what this one's for. So, because I have my Samsung TV over there. That's what I needed the replacement for. I don't know why I said universal. But just, I like this one. This is good. It's going to do everything my original does. Feels just like it with the same rubber buttons and everything. Even the same little, angle on some of this little, like the mute button and stuff like that and the things. It looks just like the original. So I like it. Thumbs up. Nice to have my remote back.